Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this brooch. This brooch I can use as a brooch or as a hair clip. These are materials and measurements which I'll be using to create my brooch. Now I'll make my brooch. First I'll be sewing this brooch pin on the felt fabric. So I'm placing this brooch pin on the top of the felt fabric and I'm sewing this pin on. This is how it looks after I sewed that pin on the felt fabric. Next, I'll glue this hair clip on the felt fabric. I'm applying hot glue at the back of the hair clip there, and I'm gluing that hair clip on felt fabric like that in the center. This is how it looks after I glued that clip on the felt fabric. Nice and neat. Next, I'll prepare these 27 centimeter long ribbons. I'm folding this ribbon in half, creating a center and applying hot glue in that center and gluing both ends to the center. Pressing quite hard so it sticks. And I'll repeat same on other ribbon. Next, I'll prepare these 14 centimeter ribbons. I'm applying hot glue on the edge of one ribbon and placing other ribbon on top and gluing those two ribbons together. Next, I'll prepare these two ribbons. So the wrong side on this ribbon is facing up. I'm applying hot glue on other wrong side of this ribbon and I'm gluing those two ribbons together, pressing quite hard so they stick. And as you can see, right sides are on the outside and inside is the wrong side. Next, I'll glue all ribbons together. I'm applying hot glue on the edge of these two ribbons, like that, and I'm gluing those two ribbons on other ribbons in the center there, pressing quite hard so it sticks. Next, I will attach this decorative flower. I'm applying hot glue at the back of the flower, and I'm gluing this flower in the center there. Next, I will glue this on at the back of the brooch. I'm applying hot glue at the back of the felt piece. And I'm gluing this felt piece at the back of the brooch, then pressing quite hard so this felt sticks properly on the brooch. And my brooch is finished. So that's the back. And that's the front. If you have any questions how I made this brooch, please do comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.